I want you all guys to pay more attention in this. Upload your photographs, okay? Users are viewing your photographs, you can see this, and you are getting paid for that, okay? And it's absolutely amazing, guys, and you can see the earning potential of this website. You can see make money when your photographs are viewed, okay? Absolutely free of cost, guys. Do not have to spend a penny from your pocket and you are getting paid. You can see millions of views per month, and per million view is this amount, okay? And minimum payout is $15 in your PayPal account. You can see that guys, this is how it's look like, okay? People view, like, people download, and number of photos this person has uploaded it, and they are absolutely earning a good amount of money from this website. Do you want to know how you can do it yourself by sitting at home doing nothing? Just follow along this video and I'll teach you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just uploading photos on this website. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just posting your images on this website. Yes guys, so let me just show you how this website works. Okay, so the description of this website is in the description box. You can check out the link. Okay, so guys, you can see this. Just pay more attention. Make money when your photos are viewed. Okay, so you might ask me a question that sir, where do this website will earn? So guys, if you just come up on Google, okay, just come up on Google and just type images. Okay, you just need to go in images and you just need to type, let us suppose, dog. Okay, so most of the pictures on this Google site is from clickaSnap.com. okay, so based upon this clicks, so people are want to download this picture. Okay, so what they will do, with each and every view you are getting paid. You can see this 0.15 euros per photo view, which is absolutely amazing, guys. You can see this. So what you need to do right now, you can see this, guys, and the minimum payout is $15. Okay, more than 15,000 members have signed up. So guys, the crowd here is less as compared to the whole world. The crowd here is less. You can see how this person is earning. You can see with the photos. Okay, they just need to watch this thing, love these photos, and you are getting paid for that. You can see this. Upload your photos using our easy to upload system. Users view your photo and you get paid. That simple, guys, that simple. Okay, genuine website, 100% genuine website. Okay, where you just need to upload your photos. So you might ask me a question that, sir, where do we get the photos? I'll teach you how to do it. You just need to first sign up. Okay, so just come up here and just click on this sign up button. Okay, I just want to sign up with Google account. Okay, it's most preferred way of doing the sign up. Okay, just do the sign up part. Okay, select your mail ID and do the sign up part. You can see this, guys. Okay, and give a username. Okay, I agrees to the terms and conditions and complete the registration part. Okay, so what you need to give your guys, you can give your own image. Okay, just give your image on this website. Okay, so I have given it, and give a channel description, that what is your channel name. Okay, so I will post amazing pictures on my channel. Okay, so you can give a small description. I have given this small introduction of my channel, description about my channel. You can give your own because you are better than me in describing things. Okay, just click on this confirm button and you are redirected to your account. Okay, so it will do a verification part, guys. Okay, so it will do a verification part. Just click on this I am human. So what is aeroplane? Okay, so select it, guys. Okay, This verification is important, so select it. Okay, so just click on this check button. Okay, it's very important for you to check. So guys, you are redirected to this page. Now you can see my account is created. So what do I need to do? Just upload my pictures. Okay, so you just click on this upload button and you just need to upload your pictures. So just come up here in Pixabay. Okay, just come up here in Pixabay and you can see there are hundreds and hundreds of images. Just click on this photos and you can download any one of these. You can download the dog photos. Okay, you can see this amazing photos. Just click on one of them and just click on this free to download. Let's just click on this free to download. Okay, you can download a small quality picture as well. Okay, so that your data would not be getting wasted. So just click here and select the photos. On the download section you can do what is pug. Okay, this is my photo, you can see. So you can get a description that it's a cute little pug. Okay, it's a cute little pug. So you can give a description. You can give pug, dog. Okay, cute. Category you can give wildlife, or we can select let's see what type of things we can select. Wildlife is okay. I get, oh yes, animals and pets. Okay, animals and pets is a good animal library. Okay, so you can see this, upload your own photos. So guys, or you get banned. So don't worry about it, because guys here Pixabay will provide you reselling. You can see this, free for commercial use, no attributions required. So there is no attributions that your account will get banned. So just click on this confirm button. Okay, and your image is successfully uploaded. Okay, now you can check your stats, guys. You can check your stats daily and you are getting paid in dollars. Okay, so good. It's actually a good way to earn money, guys. Hundreds and hundreds of people are actually earning from this website. So for you guys, one more thing, one more website I will give you. If this website is you might say that, sir, hundreds and hundreds of people are coming in this website and download it. So one more website I just gave you is Pexels. Okay, what? Pexels. Pexels is a good website, guys, where you can find out hundreds and hundreds of free photos. Okay, like Pixabay, and they are actually absolutely free. Okay, you can download it of cat. Okay, let's suppose cat photo I just need to download. So you can see this, guys. Okay, so I just need to download is in this way and just need to wait it. Okay, that's it, guys. Okay, what we need to do right now, and just click on this select photo, and what is the name is Pixel. Okay, and this is our photo. You can see this, it is downloading it. So we can give a description in the meanwhile. It's a cute little cat. Okay, it's a cute little cat. Okay, you can give this description as well. Give a tag cat and cute. Oh, cut, sorry, cute. Okay, this is the thing that you need to give out, and in the meanwhile your cat is uploading. Okay, depends upon your internet speed, guys. Okay, so it will do its job and you are getting paid for that. So wait for this time and you can see this uploading. Just click on this confirm button and you can see this, guys. The more you upload on this platform, the more income you will get, and it's absolutely passive income, guys. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket. How much photographs you can now upload, guys? Hundreds and hundreds. Okay, because this website will offer you hundreds and hundreds of photographs, and people are actually getting paid for that. Okay, free money, guys, free money. Okay, and I'll show you a description that, guys, how much you can pay out. Okay, just click on the settings button. Okay, and just come up here just click on this check earnings. Okay, so ultimately guys, whenever your $15 will confirmed, okay, in your PayPal wallet, you can see that you can see this thing. Okay, so you can see this thing, you must earn at least $15 before you can collect your payment. So guys, after your $15 will get completed, okay, you can retrieve your income into your PayPal account. Okay, eventually you can retrieve it on your PayPal account, and it's a best earning source guys. Until then they will not provide you any link. Okay, so this is a policy of this website. Now you can earn a good amount of money from this. Okay, so this is it for this video guys. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.